student, good morning to everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about the different definitions related with the tree. Out of which some of the definitions we have covered like tree, root, leaf, child, siblings, level of tree, depth of tree and degree of a tree. Today we will discuss some another important points related with the tree. So before starting, just you already have covered the points we have taught in the yesterday. So learn that topic in the good manner and try to draw tree, try to memorize the different definitions, then and then you will be understand the points that I am teaching to you today. So look at the textbook. I will teach you step by step whatever explanation related with your textbook, related with your academic session. Okay, so see or look at the textbook. Binary tree means a finite set of element called node. Firstly, we will see the question: what is a binary tree? Binary tree, different type of trees there, out of which binary tree is very important concept. Binary tree is a finite set of element called node, such that in the tree there could be node in such a format that it may be empty. Node may be empty. The first point is very important. It may be empty, or it is partitioned into three disjoint subset. It is partitioned into three disjoint subset like that. See my video, watch very carefully. So you will see that three disjoint subset like that. The above part is horizontal and the middle part is in the two sections. So the part above the horizontal side will be the root. The part in the left side will be the left subtree, and part will be the right side will be the right subtree. Means three disjoint subset like there is a single disjoint element called a root of a tree. Means one element can be the root of a tree. Other two subset are themselves the binary tree are called left subtree and right subtree. So look at the given diagram in your textbook that is showing a binary tree like that. It is divided into three disjoint subset like root. The root of the tree is A. Left subtree, what is the left subtree in the given diagram? B, D, E is the left subtree. And what is the right subtree? C, F, G, H, I. It is the right subtree. Means whenever the tree divides its three part into one is the root, other is the left subtree and third is the right subtree, then the tree is called to be a binary tree. Left and right subtree can be empty. It can be empty, but right now we are looking here that the tree is containing the different elements are there: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, I up to I. In a binary tree there is no node with a degree greater than 2. In this diagram, just look at the different nodes. Means look at the number of the nodes present in the left subtree are less than the number of node present in the right subtree. It is the most important factor, because the last sentence of the definition is very important, that there is no node with the degree greater than 2. No node with the degree greater than 2. We have already got what is the degree of a tree. In the above diagram, in the above question, you can see the definition of a degree. Whereas in the diagram in your textbook, see the definition of degree. In this, the diagram is showing the node with a 3 degree also. C node contains the degree 3. It is the degree of a tree. But in the binary tree, the maximum degree of the node should be up to the 2. No node with the degree greater than 2 is allowed in binary tree. So maximum degree of the node will be only 2. Maximum degree of the node will be 2. So there is this limitations we should have to keep in our mind, that the at least the empty tree should be with the empty node, or at least maximum at most 2 nodes will be there for different node. So for that we should have to prepare for the binary tree. It is the most important topic that already asked in the different exams like March 2002, 4, 5, 14, 15 and many more exams. So this topic is very important for your exam also. We will see the another question. The next question number 40. What is a binary tree with a suitable example? Explain the terminology describing family relationship between the element of binary tree. This question contains the 2 different questions. We have to explain suitable example for that. We have to explain the terminology describing the family relationship with the element of binary tree. So for that, draw any binary tree what you like, but just as a example, one diagram is there in your textbook. So also you can draw your own diagram for describing this question. Just you have to know the different definitions, different parts of a tree, so that you can clearly show there the explanation in the detailed format. So look at the textbook. Just first see the diagram at the right side of this question number 40, and before that the answer of the first question in this question, what is a binary tree, is already explained in the above question number 39. So we got the question very clearly. Again we will memorize the question just for you student. Just binary tree is that type in which the node can be empty, or it is the tree in which the node can be empty, or it is partitioned into 3 disjoint subset. One subset is divided into the root of a tree, left subtree and right subtree are the 3 disjoint subset. Then the tree will be the binary tree. And also there is one important sentence at the last. Important sentence: there is no node with a degree greater than 2. So at most the node is having degree 2. We should not take more than 2 node as a degree of a tree it will not be performed as a binary tree. So for that the limitation is up to 2. You can take at least at most 2 nodes in the tree, in a binary tree. So look at the question again, question number 40. In this, firstly look at the diagram. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H is there, that explains the binary tree. Generally diagrams of a binary tree are at most very similar diagrams. Just you have to memorize the diagrams so that in the exam you can write in the proper format. You can take you any name, any data element for the binary tree, but just explain the concept very properly. You will get the better marking in the exam. Left successor, right successor, left subtree and right subtree is there. Just we have to explain the diagram. Left successor, B is the left successor of the node A. What is the A? A is the root of a tree. B is the left successor and C is the right successor of a tree of the node A. So A is the root, it is the starting node of a tree. So the left successor of A is B and right successor of B is A is C. Left subtree, what is the left subtree? P, D and E is the left subtree, and what is the right subtree? C, F, G and H is the right subtree. Terminal node, what is the terminal node? The nodes that is having, that is the last node of a tree, that are D, E, H and G. D, E, H and G are the terminal node of a tree. So we can directly write there the description of the binary tree in the easy sense. That is the explanation. And the last point tells us that binary tree T1 and T2 are the similar if they have same structure, and any node n in a binary tree T has either 0, 1 or 2 successor is there. What is a binary tree? With a suitable example show, we will see the details about that question in our next video. Just thanks for you for watching this video. In the next video we will learn the questions from the question number 41 up to the next video. So keep watching. We will meet in our next video. Thanks for watching. Be perfect and do study very hard. Best of luck.